everyone, a very warm welcome to my channel Ritu Garg Maths Classes. Today we are going to discuss all the latest deletions in the class 10th maths syllabus for the session 2020-21. These deletions have been done by CBSE due to the spread of the coronavirus COVID-19. Due to the lockdown, the schools could not work effectively and the syllabus had to be reduced. Earlier the CBSE had declared, it had given in the news that around 30% of the syllabus would be reduced, and yes, CBSE has done it. So let's discuss each and every chapter, each and every topic which is deleted in detail. So let's come to the very first chapter, chapter number 1, real numbers. The topic deleted in this chapter is Euclid's division lemma, which covers exercise 1.1 and its examples. It means 1.1 exercise and its examples have been deleted from your syllabus. You need not cover that syllabus. Let's come to second chapter, polynomials. This chapter has a very strong topic, division algorithm for polynomials. Now it has been deleted, and its related exercise is exercise 2.3 and its examples. This whole topic has been deleted. Earlier we used to get a 4 marks question from this topic. You would see the importance of this topic, but now this topic has been deleted. CBSE has actually thought of helping of the children for this session 2020-21. So you can practice these topics just for your own practice, but not for the exam. So exam point of view, these topics have been deleted. Next is chapter 3, pair of linear equations in 2 variables. In this chapter we get 3 methods for solving the pair of linear equations. One is elimination, another is substitution, and third is cross multiplication. So the third method, cross multiplication method, has been deleted. Only this method has been deleted means आपके कोई as such questions या कोई exercise delete नहीं हुई. आपको वही questions cross multiplication के बजाय elimination से या substitution से करने पड़ेंगे. So the questions remain to be the same. The basic difference is that you need not practice those questions with cross multiplication rule. So this method has been deleted. So as such you are not going to delete any questions. वही questions हैं, उनको आप elimination से भी solve कर सकते हो, substitution से भी solve कर सकते हो. Next is chapter 4, quadratic equations. The topic deleted is equations reducible to quadratic equations, and under this topic some questions of 4.1 as well as some questions of 4.3 fall under this category. So more clarification is required from CBSE, and that clarification will actually tell us which actual questions will be deleted, because जो questions देखने में directly quadratic equation नहीं देते लेकिन आगे जाके सॉल्व करने पे वो रिड्यूस होके क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन बन जाते हैं, तो उनको हम बोलते हैं इक्वेशंस रिड्यूसिबल टू क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशंस. सो with the passage of time we can say the CBSE will be clarifying more what actual questions will be deleted under this topic. The next chapter is chapter 5, arithmetic progressions, AP. The topic deleted is applications based on sum to n terms. इसमें आप SN के बहुत सारे questions करते हो. Some questions are very simple and some are word problems. So when we say applications, it is considered as word problems. So what the general interpretation is coming out is question number 15 to 20 of exercise 5.3. जो 5.3 exercise है, that is all based on AN and SN, sum to n terms, nth term. But the last few questions are applications, how to apply the sum to n terms in the daily life problems. So those questions are expected to be deleted. That is question number 15 to 20, and a few related examples may be possible. So basically daily life applications of sum to n terms has been deleted. Next is the chapter 6, triangles. It's a part of geometry. 2 theorems have been deleted from this chapter. Earlier there were 4 theorems whose proof used to be asked in the question paper. उनमें से चारों में से कोई भी एक आ सकती थी. अब उन 4 में से आपके पास 2 theorems delete हो गई. So that's a big you can say change. One theorem deleted is ratio of areas of 2 similar triangles is equal to the squares of the ratios of the corresponding sides. This is theorem 6.6. Now you can mark it in your books. Theorem 6.6 is deleted. You can take out your books and mark these all exercises and questions. Cross it them so that you cannot you are not putting your extra time on that. So next is converse of Pythagoras theorem. This theorem was also very important. Now it has been deleted. This is theorem 6.9. So theorems के proof delete हुए हैं, उनके related questions there are still in the syllabus. Next is chapter 7, coordinate geometry. There was a very important topic, area of a triangle, which has now been deleted, and the related exercise is exercise 7.3 and its examples. इसका एक बड़ा important question 3 to 4 marks की category में आता था paper में. Now it is deleted, means you are not going to cover this exercise and its examples. Next is chapter 8, introduction to trigonometry, and the topic deleted is T ratios of complementary angles, trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. जितने भी आपके इसके related questions थे, formulae थे, they have been deleted, and it is from exercise 8.3 and its examples. The next chapter is chapter 9, heights and distances, no deletion. Chapter 10, circles, no deletion. These two chapters are very small chapters and very basic, very important chapters. So CBSE has not deleted anything from these two chapters. You have to cover up chapter 9 and chapter 10 whole. पूरा करना है आपको, सारा का सारा करना है, इसमें से कोई deletion नहीं है. Next is chapter 11, constructions. Construction of a triangle similar to a given triangle. The whole topic which is covered in 11.1 exercise and its examples has been deleted. This exercise will no longer be a part of the CBSE syllabus. The next chapter is chapter 12, areas related to a circle. In this chapter, the topic deleted is problems on central angle of 120 degree. In this chapter, you have many questions based on the central angle of 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree and 120 degree. So बाकी सारे 30, 60, 90 सारे angles आपके पास रहेंगे. Only 120 degree angles related questions have been deleted. और उसके जो related questions हैं, these are example 3 which is given on page 228 and question number 7 of exercise 12.2. Only these two questions have been deleted from your NCERT book. The next is chapter 13, surface areas and volumes. Very important chapter as well as very important topic has been deleted. Frustum of a cone, the main part of the chapter, you can say the soul of the chapter has been deleted. ज़रा सा भी इसके जो बगैर हम पेपर एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर सकते. एवरी टाइम फ्रस्टम ऑफ अ कोन का क्वेश्चन होता था बोर्ड के एग्जाम्स में. द होल टॉपिक हैज बीन डिलीटेड. फ्रस्टम ऑफ अ कोन, it is given in exercise 13.4 and its examples. So this exercise has been deleted. This is no longer in your CBSE syllabus for class 10. This is only for the session 2020-21. Okay. Next is chapter 14, statistics. There are two topics deleted. The very first is step deviation method for finding the mean. अब आपका सिंपल डायरेक्ट मेथड है अभी मीन सॉल्व करने का, अज्यूम्ड मीन मेथड भी है, वो दोनों रहेंगे. आपको कोई क्वेश्चन डिलीट नहीं करना, बट पेपर में ये पर्टिकुलरली स्टेप डेविएशन मेथड विल नॉट बी आस्क्ड. सो द क्वेश्चन सेम क्वेश्चंस कैन बी डन विद द हेल्प ऑफ डायरेक्ट मेथड और विद द हेल्प ऑफ अज्यूम्ड मीन मेथड. सो एज सच यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू डिलीट एनी क्वेश्चन. आपको सिर्फ ये मेथड की प्रैक्टिस नहीं करनी है. Second topic deleted in this chapter is cumulative frequency graph, which is simply known as ogive. This has exercise 14.4 based on it and its examples. So 14.4 and its examples have been deleted. These have been ticked off from your syllabus. The last chapter is probability. Very easy, very simple chapter. No deletions. Simply no deletions from this chapter. So we have discussed all the latest deletions of your class 10 math CBSE for the session 2020-21 in a very detailed manner. If any queries, you can leave in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Ritu Garg Maths Classes. Thanks for watching.